is RCC design. So what is the RCC here? Full form of RCC is reinforcement concrete, right?
Yes.
So in the RCC, we are come to know that our building is stable or not. My members are stable or not according to our design. Okay.
Yes.
When we going for the concrete design, we have to click on the design. Yes. And now go to the concrete design. Yes.
Yes.
After that, we choose the current code, design code. Then we define all the parameters and the commands. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now, RCC design is also known as the advanced concrete design. Okay. For the advanced concrete design, you have to go command. Okay.
Mm.
And go to the no, go to the mode and interactive design and choose concrete design. Okay.
Okay.
And the second option is to click on the concrete tab from here. Okay. You
Okay.
just click on the concrete design. A new window is open. A new window. See, this is the Stat Pro window, and this is your RC Designer window. Yes.
Yes.
So first of all, for this, you have to create the envelopes. Okay. So this envelopes for what? We are considering the envelopes for what?
RCC design, concrete design.
No, this is we are doing all the things for the RCC design here. But in the envelopes, we have to choose the loads. What
Loads.
load? You just click on envelope, right? And create new envelope, right? And named as I'm going to give as E1 for the envelope one, right?
Okay.
And click on OK. See, we have 4 combinations. Yes. Sorry.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Including wind load.
Including wind load. Now, we are going to choose which load. This is your E1 load, right?
Yes.
In this, we are considering the related loads. Okay. If we considering the this one wind load, so this is the sufficient because in the including the wind load, we selected all the present loads. Yes or no?
Yes.
So that's why it is sufficient to take this including the wind load this combination, right or wrong?
Yes.
Click on OK. So this is the E1 envelope which is contained the combination load. Yes.
Yes.
If you apply the if you consider the for each and every floor members, so you have to choose E1 for first floor, E2 for second floor, E3 for third floor, E4 for fourth floor, right? And you have to select the related load also in the particular envelope. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this is sufficient. Even Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now this is your envelope. Now click on the members. Okay. You just click on member. After clicking on member, you have to select the whole structure. Okay.
Okay.
After clicking on member, you have to select all the structure. Now you have to go on this member on the top. Okay. Click on member. Now we have option auto form members. Okay.
Okay.
Click on the auto form members. So some numbers are appeared on our screen by the red color after applying the auto form members. Yes.
Yes.
So see what is the members. So this member and this member and this member are in the same phase. Yes or no?
Yes.
We have 325 members in total. Yes or no?
Hmm.
But this member is considered as the 4 members, right? That's why we give the same name. If we talking about the M5, M5 is contain the 4 members individually. Yes or no?
Yes.
If we talking about the M5, it means I am talking about these 4 members. Okay.
Yes.
So now the members, we have 75 members in total. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now moving the next one. Auto 5 members is clear.
Yes.
Now it's time to create group and drifts. Click on group and drifts. We have appeared a 2 window on the right side. First window is brief, second window is group. So brief means briefcase. What? Brief means briefcase. You just click on the new brief and the first brief is for the beam. Okay, beam, and click on the design code. You have to consider that ISO patches. Okay,
Okay.
now we have two options, beam and column. So we are going for the beam design. So we have to choose the beam. Yes,
Yes.
Okay.
click on OK. Now we have 3 tabs here. First is general. In general tab, what is the minimum cover? You select the minimum cover for your beam, top, side, and bottom. So what you want the top cover? 25 is okay, or you want to change?
Okay, sir.
Okay. And now this is your concrete grade. You have to choose M25. Okay. So see, this is your envelope, which I created in the envelope. So these beams is designed for this envelope. Yes, dear.
Yes.
Okay. And go to the main reinforcement. In the main reinforcement, what is the top bar criteria and what is the bottom bar criteria? Okay. So tell me, what is the minimum size for the 10 and 12? In the bottom also 10 or 12? Yes.
Yes.
And this is your shear reinforcement. For the shear reinforcement, FE 415, and the shear bar criteria is 8 mm. Okay.
Okay.
So click on OK. So this is the brief for the beam design. Can I explain again or you understand?
Repeat.
Sorry,
Repeat, sir.
MJ,
Yes, sir.
can I explain again or moving to next?
Yes, explain again.
Okay. First, select this and click on the edit button. Yes.
Yes.
So this is the general tab, and here we are assigning the minimum cover for the member for the beam. Okay. This
Okay.
is your grade of concrete, and this is the applicable load, combination load C7. Yes,
Yes.
and which is containing by the E1 envelope. Okay,
Okay.
and go to the main reinforcement. Here you have to assign the top bar criteria and the bottom bar criteria. Okay.
Okay.
Now in the share, you have to share bar criteria. After that, you click on OK. Okay. Again, similarly, you have to create a brief for the column also, named as column, right? And the design code is IS456, and you have to select the column. Yes,
Yes.
click on OK. Now, for the column, this is the grade of concrete. Yes, this is your
Yes.
minimum reinforcement spacing, 40 mm, and this is your cover. Okay, this is your main bars. Main bars is also what is, for the main bars. This is the minimum value is 12. Okay, and maximum is also 12. Yes or no?
Yes.
If you want to increase 16,
Yes.
what we take
12.
12. And this is your link size, and the link size is 8 mm. Okay,
Okay.
and go to the column factor. There is no such options, and go to the member load. This is the compulsory step. Okay,
Yes.
now you have to include all the combinations like this. Okay,
Okay.
and click on OK. So this is for the what column. Okay, now which beam is going to be designed on the basis of bridge B1 beam, yes, and columns designed by B2 column, right? Now you have to select all the beams like this. This is only method to select your members for the RCC design. Okay. So see, all the beams are selected. After selecting, you have to click on new design group. Okay, and this is your design group 1, named as design group beam. Okay, and these beams designed accordingly which grid beam. Yes,
Yes.
click on OK. So see, the group is created, one group. Here is the list which columns are selected for the design group 1. Okay.
Hmm.
If this list is not coming, that means your design is not created correctly. Okay.
Okay.
After that, you select your columns like this. Okay. All the columns is selected. See. And now again, go to the new design group and give the name as design group
Column.
column. Okay.
Yes.
From the design brief, you have to select what?
Column.
Column. And click on OK. See, the members is inserted here. Selected members for the column. Okay.
Yes.
Now, the briefs and groups are created. After that, you have go for the concrete member. Click on concrete member. Now select your view, design group view. So this is your result for your beams. All the members are filled. Okay,
Yes.
because you doesn't apply the design button. Go to the design and click on
Design now.
design now. So see, all the members is all okay.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
It means this is your M1. See, this member is M1, and M1 contain 4 members. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes,
Yes.
and this show you the result for individual in the hog, sack, shear, and the shear depth. In all respects, your beam is okay, right?
Yes.
Similarly, you have changed to the column, and now click on design and design now. So similarly, your columns is also okay, right here.
Yes.
Now uh, go to the briefs, but I want to change the minimum bar criteria. This is the 10 and 12, right?
Yes.
I want to take here 8 and 10, right?
Yes.
So I want to see what was the effect on our load. Okay, for column, this is the minimum, that's why we cannot change. And now, after changing, the result is also changed. Click on design and design now. So now, see, my beams are now
Yes.
okay also.
Yes.
Now, for again, I am going to the brief and changing the edit button, and here I selecting the 8. Okay, so see what was the change.
Well.
Again, now is okay, no member is failed. Okay,
Yes.
while it means this is our building which is very safe. Okay,
Hmm.
now you have to while practice, you choose more load. Okay,
Yes.
more load and apply the less reinforcement and check your result, right?
Yes.
After that, you have see the main reinforcement. Select your any member and go to the main reinforcement. So this is your main reinforcement, right? See, you choose the 8 word criteria, है ना? The number of words is increased.
Yes, sir.
If you choose the
13, 14.
yes, the number of words is reduced. Okay.
Hmm.
So this is your layer 1 and this is your layer 2 in the top. In the top we have layer 1 and layer 2. In the layer 1 we have how much bars? 5.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, sir.
Five.
Oh dear,
5,
5.
5. Yes, yes.
And this is your length in centimeter.
Okay.
And click on layer 2. In the layer 2 we have 2 bars. This is your 2 bars, right?
Okay.
In the bottom we have only 5 bars. There is no layer 2. See. Okay. So this is the cross section at here. Similarly, you can check for each and
Every minute.
yes. Now this is same. This is also same. Now in the top one, we have only 5 members. Oh, sorry, 5 bars. In the second layer, we don't have any second layer. Yes. So similarly, see in this member, we have
Both
second
sides
layer
here.
in the bottom also.
Yes.
That's why all the members are passed because we have applied the more bars. Okay. This is the main reinforcement for each and every here. See. Okay. We have I told you the first one. See. In the this is the bottom. In the bottom we have 5 bars. 48. Area is 402. And this is your second layer, right? And the top we have 5 and 2, right? This is your share layout here. How to tie up your rings, right? This is your share layout. See, T8 at the distance of 120. And this is your main reinforcement. And this is your schedule. Schedule for your beam. You can also export in the DXF format for the AutoCAD. Okay. After clicking OK, this will export in the DXF format. Okay. Similarly, you can check for the column also. Click on column, and this is your main reinforcement for the column 1. Right? Share layout and the schedules. Okay. We don't have the result, right? Because they don't design. After designing, you will get your result. So this is your column result, right? This is your share layout, and this is your schedule for the column. Okay, dear?
Yes.
Any doubt?